Hi, I'm James from G&G Fencing and Landscaping Supplies, and today I'm going to talk to you about our brand new T-Post sleeper bracket.
G&G Fencing, we're proud to say supplies to your door. We're on the way, concrete posts, timber.
These T-Posts are fantastic for building retaining walls or creating flower beds using timber sleepers. They're also a really great way of keeping them secure and in place. They come in various heights, starting from 1.2 metres in height to 2.4 metres. And for demonstration purposes, we have our own 100 by 200 sleeper bolted into the 1.2 metre post. So your spacing between the pre-drilled holes is 100mm. These are very easy to create your own holes should you want to put larger sleepers into. As always, if you need any more information on any of our products, you can go onto our website www.fencingandlandscapesupplies.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.
Supplies to your door.